Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. Let's continue from the point of intersections. Okay, we are in the homework part and then I will going to solve the wezary question as well. Let me start. All right. Okay, that's good. Here we are. Guys, for the point of intersection, easy and the best way to replace. Okay, let me just do example. For example, you say that x plus y is equal to 8, x plus y equal to 8, and 4x minus y equal to 7. Okay, for which value, when I replace in x and in y, the number I have to get the 8. Look, can you add those two numbers? Negative 3 plus 0, is it equal to 8? No. 5 plus 3, it is equal to 8, yes. If I add them, yes. If I add them, yes. Then I have to, what should I do? I have to replace. Let me replace, start from the b. In x, 3. In y, 5. Is it equal to 8? Yes. I have to replace for second equation. 4 times 3, because x is 3, minus 5. Let me replace. This one, it will be 12 minus 5. Is it equal to 8? Yes. You see that B option, B, it is satisfied the both option, so it means that answer is B. Okay, let me continue for the next one. Okay guys, for the next one I have to again replace. Look, if I add them up, can you, if I, okay guys, negative, let me first of all replace. When you see, look at the option, I have to solve by this way as well. For example, 2x over 3 plus 5 must be x minus 1. Okay, let me move the 5 other side, negative 5 then on the left side. 2x over 3 plus 1 equal to, well, I have to move which one? Yes. Okay, let me erase it, this part, solve it from here. X minus 1. Okay guys, so what should we do? Let me move the 5 other side. 2x over 3 equal to x minus 1 minus 5. Let me a little bit organize it. 2x over 3 equal to what? X minus 6. I will be able to multiply both sides by 3. Why? To cancel this 3. So 2x equal to, let me multiply 3x minus 18. Can I move the other side? 2x minus 3x equal to negative 18. Here it will be negative x equal to what? Negative x equal to negative 18. Can I say the x equal to what? Positive 18, isn't it? So look at the option. Which one? X is positive 18. C. C is correct option. No need to find even y. Okay, let me scroll it down. Okay. Now the option, question number 3, it's a like kind of the what, guys? Again, replacing questions. What should we do? I have to just to do operation. Here, you can do by calculation in my advice. For example, let's start from the option C. Replacing x 5 over 2 and here 5 over 2. If you get the same value, which is 1 over 2, it will be your answer. This is the just directly replacing question. Okay, another example. Again, I have to go by option. Let me solve it. Okay, start from the A. If I replace a 0 in x, what will be result? 1, isn't it? Let me replace here. If I replace 0, what will be? 0, 0, positive 1, positive 1. Yes, it means that 0 and 1, it is one of my point of intersection. And then let me do another things. For example, I have to replace. Let me replace here negative 1 and positive 1. When you replace the negative 1 here, when you see that, again you will get 0, isn't it? So it means that this is true. If I replace positive 1, again I will get a 0, so it means that C is correct option. Just replace it. Okay. Now, when you look at here, again I have to replace, guys. Look at the answer. It says that 5 is A. Okay. Replacing x negative 1 over 2, you will get the 11 over 4. Replacing x 1, you will get the negative 1. So this is the only way that we can solve it, just by replacing. Okay. Another question, guys, same idea. There is no other way. I have to only replace. Okay. So the option, it said that A is answer, isn't it? Let me just replace. If I replace in x negative 3, what will be? Okay, negative 3 plus 6. It will be positive 3, isn't it? You see, when you replace negative 3, what I get? Root 3, isn't it? So it means that this is will be my answer. If I replace negative 2 in x, let me replace. Negative 2 plus 6 is equal to what? Root 4, isn't it? Which is equal to 2. I replace negative 2, what I get? Positive 2. So it means that A is correct option. You see, guys, we solved all the question by replacing. Okay, another example. Again, it's point of intersection. Just directly, let me check there. You see, it said B, isn't it? Let me just directly replace. Because in wezary, it's all the questions multiple choice. You can solve it directly by multiple choice as well. No, here, it said A, isn't it? Let me solve it. Sorry, B. If I replace 0 here, it will be what? 1, isn't it? But when I replace the 0, it said that negative 1, it means that A is wrong. Okay, when I replace 4 minus 1, 3. Yeah, that's true. If I replace here 4, 2 times 4, 9. Sorry, 8. Plus 1 is 9. Root 9, it means 3. So B is correct option. That's it. How many points of intersection does the function? And this one has it. For this type of the example, I have to equalize them. F of x equal to g of x. For how many? You know that, isn't it? We have to use the b square minus 4ac. Let me do it. 2 minus x square over x minus 1 equal to 2. Here we have to do cross product. You know that. Okay, if I do cross product, what will be? 2 minus x square equal to 2 times x minus 1. As a result, 2 minus x square equal, oops, here I have to organize it. 2 minus x square equal to, here can I multiply? 2x, one more time multiply, negative 2. Here, guys, what should we do? I have to move all of them, isn't it? Left side, move the right side. So which means it will be negative 2 plus x squared plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Here, when you look at this example, it will be x squared plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. How many points of intersection we have? Here, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to negative 4. What is our rule? B squared minus 4ac. B squared, which is 2 squared, 4, minus 4 times A is 1, C is negative 4. Guys, negative since it's positive, it will be 4 plus 16, which is equal to 20. Is it 20 bigger than 0? Yes. You remember, if it's delta x bigger than 0, I have a 2 solution. Equal to 0, I have a 1 solution. Less than 0, I have a no solution. Since it's bigger than 0, how many solutions we have? 2 solutions we have. Okay? Guys, another question, same as, but I have to erase it here, guys, because I needed empty space. Okay, so x power of 3 minus 5x minus 1 equal 2x squared minus 2x minus 1. Look at me here, guys. Negative 1 from left, from the right, cancel, isn't it? Okay, what should we do? I have to move all the left side or right side on the left. Let me do it. X power of 3 minus 5x minus 2x squared plus 2x. equal to 0. Here, if I organize it, x power of 3, negative 5, positive 3, 3x, sorry, let me do order, minus 2x squared, minus 3x, isn't it? So what should we do? Well, yes, equal to 0. It's x is a common term. What will be x squared minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0? He said how many point of intersection this question it has it. Let me check. X equal to 0, it's one of them, guys, isn't it? Look, and here I have a what? When you look at here, it is negative 3 plus 1, isn't it? Yes, it is x equal to 3, x equal to negative 1. So 1, 2, 3. How many you have? 3 point of intersection. We have it, guys. Yes. Okay, those are the homework question. Let me move for wezary question. Guys, wezary question, it's easy. Let me check briefly how many questions we have. Yes, we have a 13 question. Yes, I think we can finish it. Yes, let us to finish. Okay, which one is does not pass through? It means that which one, when you replace, it's not satisfied. This one, guys, as I say this directly, you will check the option. Okay, when you replace in 0, in x0, you will get the 1. When you replace 2, you will get negative 3. When you replace 1, you will get negative 1. But when you replace the negative 1, it does not give you the 2, just replacing. Find point of intersection, question number 2. Let me just find the point of intersection of the graph, the function. Okay, it's very easy. Look, x squared plus 2f is equal to 2. Look, those are cancelled. X squared equal to 0. X equal to what? 0. That's it. Just one step. Which one is point of intersection of the two function? It is very easy, guys. Just replacing. Look, x is 1, y is 4. Look, let me check it. If I replace in here 0, 0 plus 3 is what? 3, isn't it? But I said a 0, wrong. When I replace 0, I get a 3. But when I replace here 0, it doesn't give us a 3. But look at here. When I replace here 1 plus 3, is it equal to 4? You see? Yes. Here, when I replace the 1, is it equal to 4? Yes. C is correct option. Just replacing. Again, same example. Let me check it. Look, if I replace here 0, what will be, guys? 0 plus 3, 3. But from we have a negative, it will be negative 3. Plus 2 is equal to what? Negative 1. Isn't it? Negative 1. But if I replace here 0, it equal to what? Negative 4. It means that 0 is not point of intersection. Let me check the 1. If I replace 1, what will be, guys? If I replace the 1, yes, look, it will be 3 plus 3, 6. But front we have a negative 6. Plus 2, it will be negative 4. Yes, when I replace 1, I get the negative 4. When I replace the 1, I get the negative 4. It means that B and C, I think. 4, let me check. 4 is D. Yes, why? Because also when I replace 3, I will get the same 2 value. So because of this, B and C, it is my answer. Just point of the reflection. Okay, here I have absolute value. Let me solve this question by solving 2x minus 1 plus 8 equal to, plus 5 equal to 8. Move other side. 2x minus 1 in absolute value is equal to 8 minus 5. What will be, guys? 3. Here I have a 2 option. 2x plus 1 equal to 3. 2x plus 1 equal to negative 3. Why? Because of the absolute value. Can I move other side? 2x. If I move other side, what will be, guys? 3 minus 1. 2x is equal to 2. X equal to 1. Move other side. 2x equal to negative 3 minus 1. 2x equal to negative 4. X equal to negative 2. Here I have a 2 option. When we look at option, negative already we don't have, only we have a negative one. That's it. B and C. 2, negative 1. So we move it here. It is negative 2. Sorry, yes, it will be here. B and C. Because I have the two options. Okay, find the point of intersection graph of the function. Okay, so it is, I will just solve it. Guys, here I have to check the option. When I replace in x, if I replace here 4 minus 3, it will be 1. Look. Here, let me check it here. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 7, negative 3, but it said that positive 1. Cancel. Yes, if I replace here 4 power of 16 minus 3, it was 13, but it said 1. No. When I replace negative 2, it is not satisfied. It means that we have a none. None is our final answer. Yes. Guys, another option. Again, look. The answer of the 7 is A, isn't it? Just I will replace the A. If I replace here 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1, minus 3 is 1. Replace 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 3 is 1. You see, both are satisfied. That's it. Both must be satisfied in the function. Again, find the value of the x. 3x plus 3 equal to x minus 5. Left side, right side. What will be here? 2x minus 8. X, if I divide both sides by 2, x minus 4. What is the value of the two function, blah blah, x-intercept is 2. Okay, I have to only just replace. Yani 4x plus a equal to ax power of 3 plus 2x minus 1. Let me replace the 2. 4 times 2, 8 plus a times 2 power of 3, 8 plus 2 times 2, 4 minus 1. Here 8 plus a equal 8a plus 3. This is the left. Okay, this is the right move. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 8a minus a. Here how many a? 7a. Here is equal to what? 5. Can I divide both sides by 7? Yes, 5 over 7 equal to a, which is D. Okay, so again, absolute value question. Question number 10 is said C, isn't it? Let me check the C. Guys, here again, I have to replace negative 3. I have to replace negative 1. I will replace negative 3 for both and negative 1 for both. If they give me the same value, it means that it is point of intersection. That's it. Find the point of intersection graph of the two function. Okay. Again, I have to replace. Look. For example, it said that x plus y equal to 5. Which of the option, when I add them, result of the both equal to 5? All of them. It means that I have to check the second one. Isn't it? Let me check. If I replace 3, 3 times 3, 9. And then 2 times 4, 8. Is it equal to result 8 or 1? 1, isn't it? So A is wrong. If I replace 1 and 4, it will be wrong because the result will be negative. Let me check D. 3 times 4, 12. Minus 4 times 1 is 4. Is it equal to 8? Yes. So it means that D is correct option. You see, guys, that's it. It is that much easy. Okay, find the value of the x. Alright, I have to check it. If I replace 4 here, what will be? 4 plus 5, 9. Bring it out, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Yes, it means that 4 is my answer. But here we have a negative 1. I have to check the negative 1 as well. Negative 1 plus 5, it's root 4. Bring it out, 2. Negative 1 is negative 2. Are there same value, guys? No, isn't it? So only 4 is answer. That's it. Example number 13. Find the point of intersection. Okay. I will replace. Okay, my answer said that D, isn't it? Look, if I replace in X 0, 0, 0, what's left? 1. 0, 0, what's left? 1. It means that when I replace 0, I will get 1. It is true. Look, B is eliminated. It means replace a 3. When I replace here 3, I will get a negative 2, isn't it? So it means that D is correct option. Guys, those type of the example, you can be able to solve it by using calculator. And you don't have to need to do operation by yourself. Okay, I hope it's useful. See you for the next video. Take care.